for you.
Yeah, I have been wanting one of these Jeeps for a really long time. Before I couldn't drive anymore, I was wanting one. Nikki always thought they were grandpa mobiles, which he called them a long time ago. But I've always wanted one. No one in my family has ever had one. It's a really big, iconic Jeep that everybody, even people that aren't Jeep enthusiasts, know what it is. So I've got the opportunity to buy two of them. So I'm not going to tell you what they are. I'm just going to show you when we get there. You probably will know by the thumbnail of what it is, but I'm super excited. I got rid of the I got rid of one of the TJs, so I have a little space in the driveway. Not a whole lot, if you ask Nikki. I don't have any space in the driveway. I still need to go over and show everybody and show y'all what Jeeps I have. I still have not gone through every single one, but I gotta find a room at the house for at least one of these. So I came up for a good deal, couldn't pass it up, so I'm super excited. I've been thinking about it all week, so I'll show you all what we got going on when we get there and what we're getting. So stay tuned and y'all enjoy the footage. Oh boy, I decided. There they is.
Rolling here in a minute, it's gonna come flood. Here's the title order or the title receipt for this one. This was an 83. Yep. 83 to 86. Randy ran 10.
No way.
I told you. Watch your arm. That will catch you. Trust me. No. might catch fire worse. That's a lot of water on it. Ow! Here, have a leather seat cover. How about that? Snuff all the air out.
Yeah, I'm
Still burning the back. Can't get it over.
This is the 86 model. You're coming back for this one. It's crazy how that spot it's been set for so long.
Oh yeah. Well, like I said, the underneath that for you.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you might want to change the window too.
Yeah, that's definitely something that needs to be changed. But this is the one we're gonna fix up. This is the 86. It's the cleanest. So I gotta get this one running too. That one runs, and you saw the fire, so there was that. But we know it runs, so I'll get back to the house with y'all and we'll go over all of it. It's really stupid windy, so hopefully y'all can hear me. Well, there it is. The newest purchase, along with its sister, which we still need to go pick up. But this is a 1983, hopefully the wind's not that bad, Wagoneer. So this is not a Grand Wagoneer. So the Grand started a little bit later. So this was a limited. So they were called the Wagoneer Limiteds, and then after Chrysler got them, they started calling them the Grand Wagoneers. So this one runs, as you could see, and we caught her on fire, but got the fire out in time, so good deal. A lot of old gas, and the gaskets did not stay together on the carburetor, and they kind of spewed gasoline everywhere. So for those of you trying to start these old Jeeps, be safe next time. I was kind of dumb and knew better, and I still did it. You get all caught up and excited when you start doing that type of thing. Anyways, the motor runs. That's all the good that came out of that. But as you can see, the rot is bad on this poor Jeep. I don't think this one's worth saving. Interior, not too shabby. I mean, it's not the greatest thing in the world. Let's see if we can get these ugly seat covers off. Not bad, not great either. Dirt dauber nest. There's probably some animals living in this thing still. Headliner smoked. Yep, this is crazy back in the day. These were the most expensive SUVs at the time. You were a lap of luxury if you owned one of these bad boys. Yeah, these don't have the headrest like the other one does. But I think I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with this one just yet. We may let this one go up to the Jeep heaven. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep, that's a lot of rust. I knew it was bad zooming into all the pictures and stuff, but I didn't think it was this bad. Yeah, look at that. I think it's Bondo. I don't feel like metal. Ain't much left metal in there. That's crazy. But 4-wheel drive, Dana 44s front and rear. Not sure on the T case, but this one has the 360, not the 401, unfortunately. But not sure what the plan 100% with this one is, but the plan for the other one is definitely to get that one going. That one's the plan when I saw the pictures, because it's a little bit newer. That one is an 86. I was really hoping for 89, 90, 91, but what can you do? So that's my big surprise. I finally got a Wagoneer. We got 2 Wagoneers actually. So one is actually a grand, and so that's the one that we're gonna be fixing up and running down the road and having some good trips in that thing. I'm super excited about getting that one going. But I'm gonna end off the video here, and y'all probably noticed I cut all my hair off. I know there's gonna be some comments about that. But yep, hope y'all enjoyed the entertainment that came along with getting this one to the house, and we still got to go get the other one, and follow me along and see what we can do with these things. I have no idea, and I'm still learning. I don't know anything about these, so these Jeeps are all new to me. I've never touched one, never worked on one. They seem pretty similar in mechanical wise, like pretty similar to the Cherokees, so just a lot bigger and basic, so real basic. But that's for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and y'all follow me along on Instagram and subscribe if you want to. I mean, it's entertainment. I like it, so y'all follow me along in me and Nikki's adventures, and we're gonna be heading off to Moab soon, so look forward to those videos coming up soon as well. See y'all later.
Yeah, he doesn't want me to open up any of the